welcome to Shipwatch. We've got something a little bit special today. We've got a vessel that's more than 100 years old, which I think is a first for Shipwatch. Filmed at Margate Roads Anchorage in Kent, on the entrance to the Thames estuary. This is Tukker. Now Tukker is more than 100 years old. She was built back in 1912 and served originally as a coastal trader until maybe sort of 1980 sort of time, when she was converted into a training vessel for disadvantaged youth, who sort of taught them to sail and get a bit of experience out on the high seas and gave them a chance to be a slightly smaller sailing vessel, however still pretty substantial. Now she was used as a training vessel until around about 2012, and then she was kind of left to one side, I believe, for around about 10 years, before in 2022 she joined the EcoClipper fleet and began sailing cargo and travellers across the North Sea, the English Channel, the Bay of Biscay and the Baltic. Now, according to EcoClipper's website, the ship can carry up to 70 cubic metres, or the equivalent of 50 to 70 tonnes of cargo. Additionally, it has basic accommodation for up to 12 travellers and 5 crew members. So the overall length of this one is 40 metres, got a width of 5.5 metres and a draft of 2.6 metres. Got a cargo capacity of 70 tonnes, as we mentioned before, and it's listed as a schoonerbarge. Now those that don't know, a schoonerbarge is a type of ship, or a schooner as they're sometimes known. They're barges that originated on the Great Lakes back in around about the 1860s and were still used until around about World War II sort of time. So you see at the moment the sails are down, so unfortunately we haven't got her in motion, but we'll have a good look round anyway. We can see the crew, well, what appears to be the crew, hard at work around the ship, essentially looking like they're getting ready to think about lifting that anchor of theirs. So a common question when it comes to these sailing ships is, well, how do they get around the harbour? Because I'll be honest, sails are pretty cumbersome to move around the harbour. I'll be honest, they cheat a little bit. They've got an engine fitted. So this one here has a GM Detroit engine fitted. But it allows them to do the more technical little tiny bits, but doesn't take away from any of the beauty here. So let's have a look at the tonnage on this one. So generally we're used to upwards of 1,000 tonnes on the channel. However, this one boasts a gross tonnage of 79 and a deadweight tonnage of 80. So definitely one of the smaller ships on the channel, but definitely one of the most interesting. Interestingly, you might spot there, but there's 2 derricks fitted on this one with a safe working load of 999 kilograms. So Tukker has a home port of Port Vila in Vanuatu. To be honest, I think this is the first ship we've had from Vanuatu. For those that don't know, Vanuatu is actually near Fiji. I say near, about 800 kilometres west. So if you like the ship, please subscribe to the channel. Join us. We'll hopefully feature some more of these as and when they come. But for now, thanks for watching Shipwatch.